This is exactly how the front cam of this iPad looks. You can see the quality is okay. इतना भी So hey guys, I've got the present for you. Zabardast cheese मेरे हाथ में. So let's do the unboxing of this magical box. So what is inside this box is an 8th generation Apple iPad, 32 gigabytes. So let's start it and how beautiful it will be looking and what are the features in it. We'll discuss that one by one. पहले इसको खोलते हैं. Kaboom! So guys, let's open this box. The box is in front of us, wrapped up completely, good packing by Amazon. इसको फाड़ते हैं, फाड़ने के बाद बाहर निकालते हैं. So here we go. And now that we've taken it out, it does have a paper hard case, white color ka hard case. It's beautiful. Now there are specifications about this gadget which are written here. That let's open it. खोलने के बाद first and foremost we get the iPad. So this is a space gray color which has the gray lining at the back, but आगे से आपको black color का display. Now let's keep it aside and let's come to the accessories. आपके पास booklet आती है. Booklet में there are a lot of things information जो हम पढ़ते नहीं है, मतलब बेकार सी चीज़, but ये पढ़ लेनी चाहिए. So let me just keep it aside. उसके बाद ये है SIM pin because a lot of iPads are cellular. They can use for calling purposes. Okay, so let's go ahead and these are Apple stickers. Now 20 watt ka charger. This is a beautiful charger with USB-C type cable for charging and also for data transfer और iTunes connectivity जो हम iTunes यूज करते हैं. lot of other things. डिस्प्ले में हमारे पास है 25.91 सेंटीमीटर्स का 10.2 इंच यानी फुल HD डिस्प्ले, 8 मेगापिक्सल का प्राइमरी कैमरा विच सपोर्ट्स 1.2 मेगापिक्सल का फ्रंट कैमरा और ये है iPad ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के साथ 14 और इसमें जो बैटरी है वो लिथियम पॉलीमर की है. प्रोसेसर A12 Bionic चिप which is 64-bit architecture with neural engine के साथ. So basically this iPad is here to ensure that you get to enjoy easy and efficiency. इसमें 12 powerful A12 Bionic chip है that helps you to use the Apple Pencil and Smart Key. While setting up this iPad, we were really having a crazy time. The best part, you have two speakers, left and right. Then बीच में आपको USB cable in the middle of it to have an option for USB cable to exchange the data or charge it, blah blah blah. Now let's go ahead. Display is dazzle. Display की बात ही अलग है. Immersive display काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. And you don't the applications don't lag. We tried a lot of applications and it didn't lag. It was working freely and the display is so good. Talking about the iPad का जो interior texture है, iPad layout is quite cool, very easy for kids, for school students. It's very easy. Now let's go ahead and check the online things. हम थोड़ा सा video play करते हैं. We're gonna see the quality of the video and you also hear the output of the volume output while we play in a hall. We are playing this. अब आप सुनिए चुपचाप से. ये ऑडियो क्लिप प्ले हो रही है. Hi. Now we can see the difference. You can hear it. Crisp and clean sound. आप Vikings भी play कर रहे हैं. Let me see. Floki. You have your हाँ पता है मेरे को भाई. So talking about a lot of features which you want to know about this iPad, model number and serial numbers and quantity of space, everything is inside. You have to go to the settings, go to about and check for the software version. Everything is there. Software version is 14.12, model number, serial number. आपको कुछ भी देखना हो, it is inside it. So you can lock this as well. Set up a passcode. अगर बच्चों को यूज़ करें तो ना ही रखें, बेहतर रहेगा. Now let's check with the compatibility of the video. Guys, this is exactly how the front cam of this iPad looks. You can see the quality is okay. इतना भी perfect नहीं है, but this will work out. Normal selfies के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, but I think मतलब मुझे लग रहा है it's good. It's not even Samsung tablets की से अच्छा तो ये है, because you can't compare. Even 2 megapixel quality of Apple is much more enough. So guys, this was the unboxing of my new Apple iPad. 8th generation 32 gigabytes. I'm sure you would have loved it. So भाई कभी कभी ये चीज़ें देख लिया करो, because these things will help you understand the technical aspects of the gadgets. So our channel is not only about food, not only about culture, travel, tourism, but it's about the new upcoming gadgets as well, and the gadgets which I purchased. Sometimes I unbox them, and there will be reviews as well. But reviews cannot happen एक महीने में review कर दिया, 15 दिन में review कर दिया. But that takes 5 to 6 months. Like I purchased a lot of other gadgets on the channel, so you will get to know about those things कि कैसे क्या review दूंगा मैं. But there would be थोड़ी सी information will be something better. Maybe इन चीज़ों से आप कुछ अच्छा सा purchase करो, and you get to know about like this aspect is good, I like this in the video. Maybe you can suggest same things to other ones. Anyways, lots of love, keep watching Kashmiri Lust channel, and do press the bell icon, subscribe. You can also join us on the Instagram, same name on Instagram and Facebook, Kashmiri Lust, love from Kashmir. मिलते हैं next vlog पर. Ciao.